We got a kitten emergency here. What we have is a kitten who's crawled into that hole. And he's in the speaker. So let's get the kitten out of the speaker. What do you say? Look out, Freya. Alright, look out, little kitties. Little kitties are down here too. They're down here too. Look at that right there. You guys want to look at them? Alright, let's do the kitty rescue. He done climbed way up in there. You know what's in there? Fiberglass is in there. That's not good. Don't lick them clean. I have to wash this one. He get his first bath. Yep. If he will. Alright. Oh, you're covered in fiberglass. Alright. Let's see it. He's alright. I'm gonna go wash.